Now that we've created our first slide, our opening slide, let's go ahead and bring in a new slide. So we can either go up top and click on Insert, and once the menu opens up, we see we have on the top it says New Slide, and we'll see right away that a blank slide will appear on our left-hand side. Or usually if we have our menu bars, the standard menu bars open, we have a in the text menu we should have an option, an icon on top that says New Slide. So we can go ahead and just click on that, and a new slide will be created. So now we're on our second slide, and we see that it's blank, and it has taken on automatically, since it knows it's a second slide, it's not an opening slide. It has given us a larger text box to work with, and we still have a title on the page. So this is the layout that it's chosen for us. Again, we can go ahead and change that layout, but we'll keep it as it is, and this title will be a let's call it Opening PowerPoint. And over here in the text, I'll go ahead and it's looking for a paragraph. I'll go ahead and just put I'll just write in here, PowerPoint presentations can be created very easily. And the second point I'll put in is they're helpful when used as a visual aid. Now we see that every time I click Enter, I'm going to have another bulleted point here, and I can go ahead and start typing, and it will automatically create a bullet, because if we look over here in the template in the layout that we chose, we see that we had a title bar and we had bulleted points inside a large text box. So that's why it's creating our bullet points automatically.